y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sade. If you're new here, if you're oldie but a goodie, welcome back. Today we are working with Ali Grace Hair. They sent me over one of their units. Now I've worked with Ali Grace Hair before. Always eats, okay? Always. They sent me over their units. All the details to this unit will be in the description box down below. Now this video will be a reapplication because I did film the hair video and the tutorial from scratch. However, I lost the footage from my memory card, so I have to refilm. I'm not necessarily cutting the lace and everything because I already cut it. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. So y'all, this is what the hair looked like after washing and letting it air dry and tucked in a bag for about a month. All right, y'all, let's get into the application. I'm taking my Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the number 15, and I'm just working it on this wig cap. As you can see, the wig cap is a little light. So I know for a fact that I'm going to do a middle part, hence why I just worked it in that area. And I'm just doing the perimeter of my head as well. As I said, this is a reapplication, so the lace is already cut, bleached, and everything. I'm just showing you the construction of the wig with the combs and everything on the inside. Now, disclaimer, I do have some stitch braids underneath this wig. I just got back from vacation, and I have them tucked in the back, so I'm just trying to work the wig on my head to let it fit comfortably. With this, my ear tabs weren't working that well for me, but we move. We're going to make it work either way. I went to the hair store the other day just to re-up on my regular Even Wonderlace Bond Sprays. And I saw this one. And y'all, I like this one. I feel like every time they come out, well, every time I discover, I don't know if this is new, but every time I discover like a new one, it just works better and better. I really liked the black one before, but this gold can, yep, this is it. My intention was just to do 2 layers of the spray just because I didn't want to keep the wig on for a long time, and it held up, y'all. I think I ended up keeping the wig on for about like 3-4 days. And I just went in with my rat tail comb, pushing it into my skin and blow drying it on cool just to let it dry. I remember that the wig cap was a little small for my head. I'm really trying to like push the lace into my skin for it to hold enough. As you can see, the ear tab was not trying to work with me, but we move. We're gonna make it work. So I sprayed a little bit more of the spray on there and just trying to like hold it down and really have it stuck. And then I just tied it down for about like 10 to 15 minutes. Even though I style the wig on my wig cap, if you're new here, I do not like styling wigs on my head. Whatever I could do on the wig cap, I'm going to do. But as you can see, the wig isn't laying as flat as I would like, so I'm just going in with my hot comb just to like flatten it out a little bit, give it some shape and structure. This is what the hair looks like after 10 minutes. Am I the only one who gets like stray hair caught in the glue and the spray? So after I took the wig band off, I'm just using the spritz. Also, this is a recent pickup from the hair store that I'm trying. So I just sprayed it on my finger, tapped it in just to have the lace melt a little bit more, and I tied that down. Again, according to the girlies, if you're not double melting, you're not doing it right. So we double melting over her. I decided to cut some layers into my hair. Do I know how to cut layers? Absolutely not. Am I cutting layers? Absolutely. And I'm doing this just because I want to like shape my face a little bit. I don't know if I achieved it, but practice makes perfect. So we move. And now it's time for the edges, y'all. So I apply some of the Got to Be glued on the hair, and I'm just using my edge brush to just like carve it out a bit, playing around with it until I get that desired look. I like my baby hair a little fluffy, not too thin, not too thick. I feel like this is just about right. Sometimes I do go in and pluck it a little bit more to thin it out, but today we are working with exactly what you see here. And then we just tie that down, y'all. All right, boom, y'all. This is what the final product of the hair looks like. It's really nice. The lace is very easy to blend. Shout out to Ollie Grace here once again for sponsoring today's video. If you like this content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in my next one.